Here's something that might shock you. One of these blockchains processed $94.8 billion in trading volume last month, while the other only did $64.8 billion. But the one that processed more isn't the one you think. Right now, there's a digital war happening that most people don't even know about. Two blockchain giants are fighting for the future of your money, your apps, and basically everything you'll do online. And if you pick the wrong side, you could miss out on the biggest wealth transfer in human history. I'm talking about Ethereum versus Solana, and the answer to which one wins might surprise you. Because while everyone's been focused on Bitcoin, these two have been quietly building the infrastructure that will power Web3. Let me break this down like you're 5. Ethereum launched in 2015 as the world's first global computer. Imagine if your laptop could run programs that no one could shut down ever. That's Ethereum. But here's where it gets interesting. Ethereum got so popular that it became like a highway during rush hour. Transactions cost $50, took forever, and people were frustrated. Enter Solana in 2017. These guys said, we can do this better, faster, cheaper. And they weren't lying. We're talking about transactions that cost fractions of a penny and happen in under a second. But here's the twist nobody talks about. Solana has crashed 7 times in 5 years. The most recent outage lasted 5 hours. Imagine if your bank went offline for 5 hours. That's what Solana users experienced. So which one actually wins? Well, it depends on what you mean by winning. If you want speed and cheap transactions, Solana crushes Ethereum. We're talking 4,000 plus transactions per second versus Ethereum's measly 15 on its main network. But here's what most people miss. Ethereum has something called layer 2 solutions. Think of them as express lanes that can handle up to 65,000 transactions per second. Suddenly, Ethereum doesn't look so slow, does it? Now here's where it gets really interesting. And this is crucial if you're thinking about investing. Ethereum is like Fort Knox, ultra secure with over 1 million validators protecting the network. Solana, it's more like a Formula 1 car, incredibly fast, but with some reliability issues. But plot twist, Solana became the #1 blockchain for new developers in 2024. Why? Because building on Solana is like coding on easy mode compared to Ethereum's complexity. Let me show you what this actually means for your wallet. Want to buy an NFT on Ethereum? That'll be $50 in gas fees, plus the price of the NFT. On Solana, maybe 2 cents total. Playing blockchain games. Solana lets you make hundreds of microtransactions for basically free. Try that on Ethereum and you'll go broke just playing. But if you want to put serious money into DeFi, lending, borrowing, yield farming, Ethereum still has the biggest, most trusted platforms. When you're dealing with millions, you want Fort Knox, not the race car. Here's the plot twist that changes everything, and this is happening right now in 2025. Ethereum just launched something called Pectra that's making it faster and more efficient. Meanwhile, Solana is launching Firedancer to fix those reliability issues once and for all. But here's what most people don't realize. This isn't actually a winner-take-all game. The smart money isn't picking sides anymore. Ethereum is becoming the internet money infrastructure. Slow, steady, secure. Solana is becoming the internet application layer. Fast, cheap, experimental. Think of it like this. You wouldn't use the same tool to build a skyscraper and race a car, right? So which one wins in 2025? The answer might be both, for different reasons. But there's one more thing about Solana that could change everything, and most people have no idea it's coming. Smash that subscribe button if you want to see that video next, and drop a comment. Team Ethereum or Team Solana? Let's see which side wins in the comments.